I'm Sahana, and today I'm going to teach you how to make cool stuff like this using STEM, art, and AI. Let's start with layer 0. Okay, so this is the model of the duck that we uploaded. This is the one I'm going to be building with you guys today. It is the 10-layer duck. And then this is the 15-layer duck, which I'll show at the end of this video too. Okay, so the page right after the Lego model shows you the total bricks required. And it'll color code it and based on size, and you'll see more after on the next steps. Okay, so first when you start building, you're gonna need a baseboard like this or something smaller. And basically this is like what layer 0 looks like. This is like color coded, like you have to put these blocks here, and so on. And when you start, you have to make sure that the top is 0, 0. So you imagine that this is 0, 0, and you build your model in the corner. So now I'm going to build layer 0, and you'll do it with me, or you'll watch me do it. Okay, so I just finished layer 0, and this is what it's looking like. Now on to layer 1. So this is the next page, which is layer 1, and as you can see, it's like shaded gray, and that basically means it's the layer underneath. So this is layer 0, and this is basically like layer 1, which you put on top of layer 0. Okay, I just finished layer 1, and this is what it looks like. And this part is the gray part on here, so it's the layer underneath. Okay, so now on to layer 2. Okay, I just finished layer 2. This is what it looks like. Now on to layer 3. This is layer 3 finished. Now on to layer 4. Okay, so these are the instructions for layer 4, and you can see there's more colors. They just represent the different blocks. They're color coded here, as I said before, and this would be like a 1x4 block, this would be a 2x4 block, and so on. So now let's do layer 4. Just finished layer 4, now on to layer 5. Just finished layer 5, and now I'm going to do layer 6, but you just put it on the row here. And then a 1x4 block, and I put it right here. It's right there. It matches it with that. Okay. So now we're doing layer 7. Okay, just finished layer 7. It's starting to look like a duck. Now on to layer 8. Finished layer 8, and now we're going to do layer 9. Here, and here. Okay, we finished the duck, and then that's the end of the packet. Okay, so this is the duck we just made on camera, and this is the duck I made earlier. This is the 15 layer, this is the 10 layer, but you can also make even bigger models if you want to. I didn't make a duck, but I made a bunny. This is a 20 layer one, and it takes a lot more time, but it's still really fun to make. And the bigger you do, the more detailed you can get. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to make one of these yourself, you can look at my software, which is available on GitHub for free. It's in the description below. If you want to know how I made the software, you can go to the link that's also in my description below. But you don't even have to just make a duck or a bunny. You can make whatever you want, and you can see it all on my software video.